somebody to get there. I didn't say backstab, I said step over or walk through. Sometimes that's necessary. Because somebody's gotta be the best. Somebody's gotta be the best.
B-boy topics. B-boy topics.
This is Dancy Moon, and you're listening to Beats by Nocturnal Rhyme. Nocturnal Rhyme.
AM Stereo, KTAY.
Yo, this is home base. No, this is home team. Yes, the original California Gunderoos running up on you with a dazzling display of, well, just play it by ear, because the way we play is difficult to hear if you ain't deaf. 2 times the lyrics, I don't need no demonic spirit to possess my soul. In order for you to know, I put the titanium touch to a pen, or even lead and wood. I leak graffiti on blank sheets, but used to the loose leaf with thoughts that are, your highness, the most regal and debonair, like DiBiase. I kick the dialogue with dollar signs swinging. The posse's NFT and X and out there intervening. So, I dedicate this part to getting ours. The enlightened we're fighting to maintain a certain repertoire and recognize, or rather collect recognition. We come from the West Coast, and now here comes the intermission.
Never, like, get the fuck out of here. I can understand, and I'm not impressed. I know how they do it. I know where it comes from, and I know that they're just wiggling their fingers. They can't fool me. Get the fuck out of here. You can fool somebody who doesn't understand music, but I'm not fooled. I know those guys. They're only human, and I no.
Believe me, I tied my own shoes once. It is an overrated experience.
The beat is sicker than the blood in your stool. The way it repeats can trick you like a stuttering fool, uttering butter king jewels. This might have been cool. Schooled her how to wash away the crud in the drool pool. Made his chrome dome glisten. At first he couldn't tell she had a chromosome missing. Kept a spear somewhere in these underwear. He swear it helped her get the gum out her hair. They need to get their thumb out their rears and show some skills the one time they come out in years. Instead of dumbing out in fears of their own shadow. In a game that swell them up to dead them like cattle. Take your rattle and skedaddle before you get a whipping with the pen and pad paddle. Ghouls got a model in gear. He came with more rhymes than molecules in air. The track was like a thorn in his back. As for the rhymes, I'll give y'all fair warning. It's crack. Whoever starts to smoke it, come back. Quit or catch a heart attack up in some bum shack. Sharper than a thumbtack.
Wait.
His body was a temple made of chemicals to the dimple. To him still it wasn't so simple. Kept his right and left hand beefing. One knocking teeth in, the other one chiefing. But first, the song will make you wanna stomp your 10 toes. Souped up 50 Pinto off a pimp my whip before they put the system in and had it all stripped. There ain't no need to trip. Indeed, he rips scripts from here to Jabit. Get a grip, leave it a dag mess for beer. Burn it like a bag of swag cess in the air.
That shit is not cool. Wait. You're crazy, man. You're crazy. I like you. But you're crazy. I'm so tired. Who's coming this way?
세미가 나